Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to a brand new journey, a brand new challenge, and a fresh start with full energy and confidence. I hope you all are doing great, and I truly appreciate every single one of you who has been supporting this journey from day one. Before we begin, make sure you take a moment, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay connected with us, because this journey is not just ours. It is yours as well. And if you are serious about learning, about growing, and about understanding how everything works, then send us a message on WhatsApp. We are always here to guide you. Today we are starting the new challenge. After successfully completing our previous $500 challenge, that challenge was executed perfectly, with full discipline, full control, and clear strategy. And now, this is day one of our new challenge. We are starting with $5,000. And yes, we are confident, we are focused, and we are fully prepared to complete this challenge. This is not just another challenge. This is a statement. We have selected this challenge, and we will deliver it. Once again, welcome to day one, the first day of a challenge, the beginning of something powerful. We started this $5,000 challenge to show you something very important. That growth is possible. Whether you start with 500 or 2,000 or even 5,000, our bot is designed to work across all account sizes, small or big. It adapts, it executes, and it performs with consistency. Our target in this challenge is clear. From 5,000 to 15,000, step by step, controlled, and calculated. And this is not the first time. We have done this many times before, and we have shown you the results. Our last challenge started from $500, and we pushed it beyond $2,000. That is the level of execution we aim for. Now I want to ask you something. How is your trading going? Are you in profit, or are you struggling with losses? Are you following a system, or just trading randomly? Let me know in the comments, because your feedback matters, and it helps us create better content for you. When we talk about current market conditions, crypto and Forex are moving with strong volatility. Opportunities are there, but risk is also there. That is why choosing the right platform matters. And Deriv provides a stable environment, with synthetic indices that allow continuous trading. And with the right system and proper risk control, consistency becomes possible. So today, day one, we officially started this challenge from $500. We began by analyzing the market. We checked multiple indices. But at that moment, volatility 51 second was a better option. And let me clarify something very important. The analysis you see in front of you is just for transparency, to show you everything is real. Our actual analysis process is deeper, more structured, and based on multiple confirmations. After selecting the market, we moved to bot, where our bot was already set up. We configured the settings carefully. Volatility 51 seconds selected. Stop loss set at $500. Take profit set at $1,100. Stake size adjusted to $108.65. After reviewing everything, confirming all parameters, we started the bot. And this is where discipline matters. No emotions, no panic, just execution. Now listen carefully. Success does not come from guessing. It comes from structure, from patience, and from consistency. Every small step you take builds your confidence, builds your understanding, and shapes your journey. You do not need to rush. You need to stay focused. Growth is not about one big win. It is about repeated, controlled execution. When you trust the process, you start seeing results. And when you stay consistent, results start trusting you. Your mindset is your biggest asset. If you control it, you control your decisions. And when your decisions are controlled, your results become stable. Never underestimate small progress. It compounds over time. Every professional started as a beginner, but they did not quit. They stayed. They learned, and they improved. Your journey is yours. Do not compare. Just improve. Confidence comes from preparation, not from luck. When you understand what you are doing, fear disappears. Discipline is more powerful than motivation, because discipline keeps you going. Even when motivation is low, focus on the process, not just the outcome. Results will follow. And remember, this is not our first challenge. We have completed many, and every time, we have shown you real execution, real results. So now, let me announce the results of day 1. After launching our premium bot, it took just 16 minutes. To reach our take profit target, the bot executed around 123 trades, 110 wins, and 13 losses. And you can clearly see everything in the video. We secured approximately $1,103 profit from a $5,000 account. This level of accuracy, this level of execution, is